Hello and welcome. Sheepzez here with Black Mesa. This is a Half-Life 2 sequel, remake. I think it's a remake actually. Update graphics, but with the same storyline. So I'm going to be doing a let's play of it. More. Okay, that just goes along. Start new game. So let's get right into it. Black Mesa. I've actually never played Half-Life 2. Black Mesa inbound. I hope that doesn't mean a bad thing. Black Mesa Research Facility.
Good morning and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel. The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times.
Pleasant. Very pleasant. Wonder if we can actually sort of squat in these seats. Disabled. Loading. Well, that's an awesome loading screen. I hope this doesn't mean I've crashed. Oh, there we go, okay. Robert Chinner. I assume those are the credits rolling past the bottom left. In an emergency, use all windows as emergency exits.
This train is inbound from Level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities. If your intended destination is a high security area beyond Sector C, you will need to return to the Central Transit Hub in Area 9 and board a high security train. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing before you will be permitted into the high security branch of the transit system.
Book here. Tram maintenance. Important, do not leave unattended. Oh, that's awesome. Do I have to take the book with me?
Due to the high toxicity of material routinely handled in the Black Mesa compound, no smoking, eating, or drinking are permitted within the Black Mesa transit system.
I'm pretty sure trams aren't meant to go this direction, but let's just go with it. Ooh, it's turn. Zoom! Those are the lasers. Is there anything, any other little secret bits? Is that money?
Please
No.
keep your limbs inside the train at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to remain seated and await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the train, disabled personnel should be evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives.
How long is this bloody train? Whole first video is gonna just be of this train. Can we pull the button? Nope. Ooh, looks like we're getting somewhere exciting. Security guy. What's happening now? Oh, the door's opening. And in we go. Salute. Don't know why he's saluting me. Oh, that doesn't mean I'm about to die. Giving me a salute. It's like the last stand. Why do we have to wait for the door to close before continuing? Seems a bit stupid. Oh, another loading screen. That's it's great. And off we go. What way are we going?
A reminder that the Black Mesa Hazard Course Decathlon will commence this evening at 1900 hours in the Level 3 facility. The semifinals for high security personnel will be announced in a separate secure broadcast transmission. Remember, more lives than yours may depend on your fitness.
PhD in theoretical physics, that's exciting. That's actually what I might be doing at university. Probably more broad physics. Assignment, anomalous materials laboratory. It's pretty cool lasers. They're like the Portal 2 lasers. Was Portal 2 not done by the same people as Half-Life 2?
Do you have a friend or relative who would make a valuable addition to the Black Mesa team? Immediate openings are available in the areas of materials handling and low clearance security. Please contact Black Mesa personnel for further information.
Ooh, we're at Sector
If you
E.
have an associate with a background in the areas of theoretical physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines, please contact our civilian recruiting team. The Black Mesa facility is an equal opportunity employer.
That thing's pretty cool. Wanna bet we have to kill a bunch of them at some point in this game. You can just see that coming. Oh, we're going down again. I wish there was a glass floor so I could see beneath.
A reminder to all
Yep,
Black
I was
Mesa
right.
personnel. Regular radiation and biohazard screenings are a requirement of continued employment in the Black Mesa Research Facility. Missing a scheduled urinalysis or radiation checkup is grounds for immediate termination. If you feel you have been exposed to radioactive or other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your radiation safety officer immediately.
That looks pretty
Work safe.
pretty
Work
fucking
smart.
radioactive.
Your future depends on it.
And that guy's running away, screaming. They all look a bit panicked. I don't think that's good.
Now arriving at Sector C test labs and control facilities.
Is this our stop? There's a man coming towards me. Special thanks to Valve software. Open door. And another loading screen.
Morning, Mr. Freeman.
Good morning.
Looks like you're running late.
For what? Is he not a bit old?
No, Barney's been pretty scarce around these parts.
Why is he strafing?
Guess his bar tab must have finally caught up with him.
Doo, doo, doo. In we go. What's this?
Aw, man, you cut the ponytail. Sellout.
I did. It would appear this has not been my first visit to this research lab. Anomalous materials, Black Mesa Research Center.
Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I
It's that
guess.
blue screen of death.
They were also having some
Wonder what it
problems
says.
down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
This application has stopped responding to the something.
Try hitting Control Alt Delete.
Ha.
Quit looking over my shoulder. You're making me uncomfortable.
Okay, so let's head down here. Can we run? Sprint? No, we can crouch. Don't know why.
Good morning, Dr. Freeman.
Good morning, enthusiastic man.
Detection system seems to be online now. Those TPS reports have gotten progressively worse. Hard to find good help.
Oh, we can move stuff.
About that,
Ugh.
we're going to need you to come in this weekend. What? I've already made plans. Don't worry. You can always attend the next convention.
I don't really know where I'm supposed to be going. I'm just not gonna wander about. Sector B, Coolant Reserve. This looks like an important place.
Hopefully things will die down around here soon. Got the wrong airlock, Mr. Freeman. You know I can't let you through here.
Okay, so it's not this way. First aid. Let's head back this way and go the other route. Hopefully that will lead us to the correct place. Oh, and this man has lost his friend now. Oh, we can go in here.
Oh, would you look at that? Freeman actually did show up for work this morning. Looks like somebody here owes me lunch.
Well, good
That
morning,
guy's got a big
Freeman.
forehead. And he just walked through me. Ugh. It's like someone walking over your grave.
The sample was just sent down to the test chamber.
Dr. Ayers, please call 729.
Yep. There's a pepperoni pizza in my near future.
I like the how things are like movable.
Yeah, cut that shit out, will ya?
Hit him with a bin. We put a bin on top of the equipment.
Good morning, Gordon.
Morning, Mr. Man. Do you have a name tag? Do you have a name tag? I can't see your name tag. Have a box.
My God, what are you doing?
Why is he so scared of a paper box?
They don't just give any old riffraff off the street the honor of wearing that lab coat, Gordon.
I'm just trying to give you some paper. Jesus. Does it have to be so offensive? These do anything? No. Here's another first aid kit. Shall we head down here?
You're living in the past. That experiment is single-handedly responsible for my career in science.
How much recognition do you think you're going to get for reproduction, though?
You should focus on inventing something new and unique.
He does have a point.
Oh, but this is more than replication, I assure you. For one, it shows how far our field has come since the original study was published, and to say nothing of the modern perspective necessary to monitor its influence. I mean, combined with today's technology, I've recreated... Bah! I can't stand to hear another word of this malarkey.
Don't mind him. But here's something to think about for the next time.
You and your sugar-coated ersatz are absolutely full of it.
Creativity is the art of hiding your influence. Now let's get back to work. We should at least try to look busy.
Is this what happens at CERN, do you think? More blue screens.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Superconducting outer change.
Contact Dr. Foreman. Is that not my name? George Foreman. No, that's the guy who invented the grill. Oops. Didn't mean to knock that over. Calculator. Throw the calculator at someone. Have a phone. Right, periodic table of elements. Surely you should all know that off by heart. I just crashed the computer. That's probably not a good thing.
This is going to have to wait, Gordon.
Why is everyone so pissed off? And everyone has the same voice.
This is going to have to wait, Gordon.
Oh my god, he has the exact same voice as him. And there's the exact same person.
Maxwell's demon. It's cold in here.
Is it? I'm pretty warm. Let's have a look at these equations. Is there anything I can understand? Read, please. Increases in exotic matter, decrease stability or crystalline structure. This can increase resonance effects to dangerous levels. Doesn't sound very good. Oh, buddy, pushing through me. Just ask me to move. What's in here?
Hello?
Federal minimum wage. Surely you should be on more than minimum wage if you're working in this area.
Another day, another dollar.
Particle accelerators in a box. Oh, that's cool. It floats. Can I get some quavers, ramblers, French fries, Ramblers cheese and onion. What's more of these? Biscuit. Break now.
Can you access the mail server?
Bolo instead of Rolo. What does that say? Oh, tittles. Tittles? Oh, tittles. What are tittles? I assume they're supposed to be Skittles. Okay, well, this will be episode 1, and I shall see you next time in episode 2, where I actually find where I'm supposed to be going. So, see you then.